You searched how to buy shares of Pierce Group AB, and this short guide will walk you through the steps. Pierce Group AB is an industrial company listed on CBOE EU with ticker PIERCE.ST, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually verify your account with an identity document and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PIERCE.ST to find the listing. Select the result that matches Pierce Group AB to open its asset page. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Make sure the company name shows Pierce Group AB and the ticker reads PIERCE.ST. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed later, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the order. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the trade is processed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description, and remember this video is an educational walkthrough only.